Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best gray hairspray temporary solution out there. The Punky Temporary Hair Color Spray in the shade Siberian White. If you've been looking for an easy, fun, and commitment-free way to add a pop of bold, icy color to your hair, this 3.5 ounces aerosol can might be exactly what you need. Let's kick things off with what makes this product stand out. The Punky color brand has been around for over 30 years and is trusted by professionals in the hair color industry. Known for high-quality, bold results without compromising the health of your hair, Punky has carved a name for itself in the temporary color scene, and this Siberian White spray continues that legacy. First impressions? The packaging is compact and travel-friendly. At just 3.5 ounces, it's perfect for tossing into your bag for a quick style refresh on the go. Whether you're heading to a costume party, a music festival, or just looking to experiment with your look for the day, this product is clearly designed with convenience in mind. Now, let's talk performance. This temporary hair color spray is all about vibrancy without the damage. It works by coating your hair strands instead of penetrating them, which means it's non-damaging and gentle. You don't need to bleach or pre-lighten your hair to see a noticeable effect. Just spray it on and you're ready to rock. And here's the best part, it washes out easily with just one shampoo. The color payoff is impressive. Siberian White gives you a bright, dramatic tone that can work either as a full head transformation or subtle streaks for dimension. Whether you want to go full Snow Queen or just add a few frosty highlights, the control is in your hands. You can spray sparingly for a soft, almost silvery sheen, or go in heavy for an intense white statement. Application is easy. Make sure to shake the can well before use. Hold it a few inches away from dry hair and spray in short bursts. You'll notice it dries relatively quickly and doesn't leave a sticky or stiff residue, which is a huge bonus compared to some other temporary color sprays out there. Another strong point of this product is versatility. Siberian White isn't just for one type of look. You can use it to blend in with existing gray or silver hair for added brightness, or use it for cosplay, Halloween, theatrical performances, and editorial photo shoots. The shade works beautifully under different lighting conditions, making your hair look reflective and icy under natural or artificial lights. And let's not forget the cleanup. Unlike other color products that stain or linger, Punky's temporary spray rinses out cleanly with one shampoo. There's no residue, no tint left behind, and no long-term commitment. That makes it a great option for anyone who wants to experiment with bold hair without taking the plunge into semi-permanent or permanent dyes. In terms of smell, the spray has a mild, pleasant scent that doesn't overwhelm you or linger long after application. That's always a plus, especially if you're sensitive to strong chemical odors. Now, while it might not be available for shipping everywhere, it's definitely worth grabbing if you have access to it locally or through forwarding services. To wrap it all up, the Punky Temporary Hair Color Spray in Siberian White is fun, fast, and fuss-free. It's perfect for those who want bold style on demand with zero damage and zero commitment. Whether you're looking to elevate your everyday look or create a show-stopping costume transformation, this product deserves a spot in your styling arsenal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on honest reviews of the latest beauty and styling products. See you next time.